Hello friends, in this video tutorial I will show you the second way how to symmetrically inflate a bobo balloon. In this video I use 20-inch bobo balloon. Before inflating bobo balloon, I stretch the seam of the balloon well. I stretch the seam from the balloon neck. I stretch the seam every 2 centimeters. Look, the whole seam has become wavy. After that, I stretch bobo balloon out horizontally and vertically. For better stretching of the bobo balloon, you can stretch it diagonally as well. For me, the big disadvantage of this method is the physical effort that needs to be applied when stretching. This method works better with 81,000 18-inch bobo balloons. To stretch larger balloons, you need to make more effort when stretching. Now I inflate bobo balloon and see that it is perfectly symmetrical. This is one of the most popular methods among designers. Thank you for watching us.